very fortunate I didn't have to, since my dad was very liberated. He gave us our opportunity to pursue our dreams and to exercise our minds, and we had freedom. We need to teach our daughters to gain economic independence so that they will have a partner rather than a master. We need to teach our sons to do housework so they'll have a partner instead of a servant. We are living in such amazing times. I mean, we have Kamala Harris as our role model to lead us into the next generation.